Hello children, welcome to Minutes of Maths. Today I am going to teach you Class 9, Chapter 7, Triangles, Exercise 7.1, Question number 5. Question is, line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arm angle A. We have to prove triangle APB is equivalent to triangle AQB and side BP is equivalent to BQ, or B is equally distant from the arms of angle A. This is the figure given in the question. In this question, this line L is the bisector of this angle A. If this is the bisector of angle A, then we can say this angle, these two are equal to each other because this angle is bisecting the angle A. Then BP and BQ are perpendicular to the arms of angle A. These are the two arms of the angle. BP is perpendicular to this arm, so this line and arm will make an angle here 90 degree because this is perpendicular to this arm. This is also perpendicular to this arm, so this will also 90 degree. So these two angles are 90 degree each. Now we have to prove this triangle APB is equivalent to AQB. So we have to use any one of the congruence rule already. So you have to take these two triangles. Already two angles are equal to each other. Two corresponding angles are equal to each other. And you can see this base is common for both the angle. So AB is common for triangle APB and triangle AQB also. So we can prove these two are congruent by angle side rule. Let's write the statement. Solution. We have to take these two triangles. Already I have explained you. The triangles are APB and AQB. In these two triangles, APB is equivalent to AQB because they are the two right angles. These two are two right angles. And AB is equivalent to AB. This line is common for both the triangle. And BAP, angle BAP is equivalent to angle BAQ because line L is the bisector of angle S. So according to the angle side rule, we can say triangle APB is equivalent to triangle AQB by AAS congruency rule. One we have proved. Next is BP is equivalent to BQ. You can see BP and BQ are two corresponding lines, two corresponding sides of these two triangles. Already we have proved these two triangles are congruent. So if the triangles are congruent, then we can say the corresponding parts of the triangles will be equal. So by CPCT, BP and BQ are two corresponding parts of the congruency triangle. So according to CPCP, we can tell this two also equal to each other. That means if these two also equal to each other means what? B is equidistant from the arms A. B is equally distance from the arms of the angle A. This arm and this arm. That's it. Let's move on to next question. Question number 6. In figure, AC is equivalent to AE, AB is equivalent to AD and angle BAD is equivalent to angle EAC. Show that BC is equivalent to DE. This is the figure given in the question. In the question they have given side AC is equivalent to AE and the another side AB is equivalent to AD. and the angle BAD is equivalent to C angle CAE. We have to prove side BC and the side DE are equal to each other. You can see the figure. BC is the base of the triangle ABC and DE is the base of the triangle DAE. So we have to take these two triangles to prove BC is equivalent to DE. So you can see already two sides are equal to each other. Here AE is equivalent to AC and AD is equivalent to AB. You can clearly understand because I have given different color for these two triangles. Got it? So now we have to prove this angle is equivalent to this angle. If we prove that, then we can say according to the side angle side, these two triangles are congruent to each other, and we can say BC and DE are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. For that, what we have to do? We have to add this part of the angle to each of these two angles. You can see already this angle and this angle are equal to each other. If you add this part to both the angle, then both the angle will be equal to each other. Let's write. While writing the step, you can understand clearly. Solution. What we have told before, we have to add. First, we will make an equation. These two angles are equal to each other. BAD is equivalent to CAE. These two are equal to each other. Now we have to add this angle because we are going to take this triangle, not this triangle. We are going to take this triangle. So if you want to take this triangle, we have to add this part to this triangle, and for this triangle we have to add this part. So both the side we are going to add same measurement. So angle BAD plus angle DAC is equivalent to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Already these two are equal to each other. Again we have added the same measurement. So then also after adding this same measurement also, these two will be equal to each other. So now we can say angle BAC is equivalent to angle DAE equal to each other. Now we have to consider this triangle ABC and this triangle ADE. Already we have proved above these two angles are equal to each other, and these two are given in the question. AB is equivalent to AD and AC is equivalent to AE. So according to the SAS congruency rule, I can say these two triangles are equal to each other. If these two triangles are equal to each other and BC and DE are corresponding part of congruent triangle. So these two also equal to each other. That's it. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.